Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you the best app for video editing and a website for making your thumbnails. So let's go. First, for making thumbnails, I personally use this website called canva.com. I'll link it in description. This website is very user friendly and very easy to learn. So in this website you can create videos, presentations, Instagram posts, logos and everything. Usually I make my thumbnails in a presentation. So if you click on a presentation, it will open a page like this in which you can add custom templates. You can even add elements, like all this. And you can also upload your own custom pictures if you want to. You can add custom text with custom font and also stickers, and then everything else. And for editing, I use the Windows 10 video editor. It's usually pre-installed on all Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. So yeah, this is one. This is also very easy and user friendly. I'll also make a tutorial how to edit and make thumbnails in my next video. So please wait for that. Thank you for watching.